Flex, where my name? Alex. Where my name? I'm gonna tell the my name for me. I pay attention. His name Alex. Good. Is his DJ name Flex? Let me get Flex. All right. This young man now, him have him little son with my daughter friend or him daughter. Him have a daughter with Khadija. I barely know him, but I know him. I mean, tell him he's the man Flex him name. He said my daughter tell me said the man dead. You know, I think I might be. I mean, you know, people class dead from people, you know. You know, for stop it. You don't mean it. God know me know I don't mean it. You know, just said things. God, that is so fucking awful. So for somebody sit down in the right frame of mind and cast dead from people, me not believe you know. Cause me I tell you, not you see me I pick a lucky. Emotionally inside of me, it ripped me. And me, God bless the amount of time, Mr. Flex. But the fact when you see we're there at the same event, we fly down, you know, we're there at the same hotel. So at the end of a good day, when I stop sitting and wish bad for people, it's a nice virgin. Understand me? Somebody message me there and tell me, say, I mean, makes Carrie dead. 2 years after. You never tell me, me not live at Jamaica, me not gone girl. So the fuck you say the darnest things and I could never mean it because me I said, but this don't make no sense, man. Mommy says still I said that it don't make no sense. My brother died 2 years ago, them give him 17 blood clot shot. And if me never crazy and terrible, me them would have lie down in the grave with him. Blacks my daughter come down for my brother's funeral and come back again and take sick and dead. I'm not going to come in at my day and come cuss me. It don't make no sense. You understand me? So I have to just say, God, them don't mean it. Forgive them. Understand me? And big up on yourself. Stop wish death and people. It's not nice. When you lose a loved one, them not come back. You understand me? It no matter what, them not come back. Hope you are blood clot. Listen, stop texting pan Dewey and go. Man, do it shit, peace, eat and live. When you depend hope. One don't know about Dewey and know about me, we know about each other. Shut the fuck up and go, man, and I love dictate to people life too much. And right now for the negative people, them will love it. When you go to Jamaica, I tell me, I'm going to tell you, I say, pussy, I'm going to show you name blood clot Queenie and God. You hear that? Who this? Me fear God. One who are frightened, intimidated from living in a blood clot matches box. I'm not living in a matches box and I forgot kill me dirty blood clot. You hear that? When you think that a nice when you think that when you're illiterate and dark, when you're so stupid, I have to pray for you because I fuck you that time. No, I have a blood clot there. Lie now, blood clot till I rebuke that. I rebuke that and send it back to the pit of hell. None of that. None of the facts is real. That could never be real. Why would you want me to death? Why would you cause death on me? Tell me, why? Because in the dark and illiterate, when me dead in the same and I say, oh God, my Miss Queen, I never want my blood clot dead. And stop my wish people for dead, because when them dead, them can't come back. You hear what Dewey said this morning? I'm not gonna lie, I tell you. When I abuse him, when I say all kind of rude things, that make him dead now. All who for take plane for God Jamaica, wherever for come and funeral and him 9 nights. Yeah. A dead man tell no tales. You hear that? It's not nice. I'm glad me turn, you know. Because sometimes I take things to joke, you know. And so see me a ball, and I think I'm weak. Me no weak, I'm my bumper blood clot, but that's emotional. And sometimes me in a cast, but I forgot about my knee. You understand me? When I don't look. When I have on pretty clothes, when I have on a fingernail and the ear, kind of materialistic. I have to go down and make Father God cover me, cover my marriage, and cover my kids there. That are the only guarantee for each and every one of us. How can you sit down and wish death upon people? Why? 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 Why though? Why does that make sense? It doesn't. Because I'm not setting on myself, I want to kill myself. I want to commit suicide. That's why I sit down and cast dead from people want people for dead. So I don't go dead. Long life for someone. Long life. Hi. Yeah, man, I don't like it, man. And then I don't want to intimidate me and fight me to tell me, say, man, I got no blood clot, man, can't kill me. Look for when them threatening me. They're telling her, at 13 years ago, was dead, I went was dead, they want to threat with me blood clot, get Instagram never about. Them say them are going to take all Nastasia out of the green school. And they want to hard as they make pan blood clot. Me, I see me still a rain. Because I'm a God-fearing woman. I God alone me fear, you know. Me not fear no gun blood clot, man. I know all blood clot murder and I move on uncomfortable and uneasy blood clot stuff. I don't them want to kill a heart and I don't take blood clot. You can't kill me. All of them telling the fellow for curry me, steal me, blood clot can't be, for crush me like can't be, and I still can't kill me. Now I'm here and then. Bye now. Queenie, me need I want a green something. Just drink green tea. Enjoy your life. God is good. God is good all the time, baby. And I make me day here, son. 1 minute you're talking about God, the next minute you're talking about somebody. I ask you a question now, illiterate fool. If you're a righteous person, you said bumble. It's a word. You say clot. Clot is what I'm wearing. Oh, God, I got penalized me for that, darling. Wake up, man. Cut out the stupidity. Think rational. Think. I have a pussy. God made it. Man give it name pussy, but I God made this. Why would God penalize me, my dear, because I'm a pussy clot? Dumb. It's a word of expression. It's not no evilness. It's not no cruelty. For human being, your fellow brethren and sisters to feel good about themselves, when you stand up beside them, if you not say pussy clot, blood clot, or ras clot, them not feel decent. But it's just a word to make somebody where your brain manipulate from young. No, if you go to Cuba and say blood clot, the Cuban them don't know what blood clot means. So God I go charge you for blood clot. Fuckery. That is what you do and make society tone down on liberty of being who you are. Because you are saying to me, because me just said Jesus, me can't say pussy clot. That's why them mother saying, say, if God did steal like man, yeah, if God did steal like man, the things I want to take poop on the head, my dear. None of it would have depend God earth. Because God would have swipe out the whole of it dirty blood clot. No. If you cut me a blood, you see. And every human being has to wear cloths to make clothes. Yeah? I have smoking withdrawal. Now look for you. I can't have no blood clot withdrawal, darling. You see me? I work with whatever situation it is. I'm not addicted to nothing but myself. So if I have my blood clot self, I don't care about no smoking. You are worried about smoking. I can't build weed, you know. I have people around me not smoke weed. I don't smoke blood clot weed, you know. I know somebody will go shop and buy one cigarette, one whistler, and one lighter to make weed in a baby. But you see, if you have the whole of orange ale and green ale with them, will help you smoke it. But me is not addicted to nothing, baby. So anywhere me go in the world, me can cope. So you sit down there and talk about yourself. Me no want to weed, me alright, me no for bend my mind to my condition. And that's what a lot of people cannot do in life. Oh no, for bend on the mind to a blood clot condition. If you have piece of shoes, you wear the piece of shoes, and that's the difference in me. No one ever tell me say me have weed withdrawal. No, I don't. I am being myself. You know, I'm not to do with weed, baby. If me have weed, me is the same. If I don't have weed, I am the same. Mama time when I throw the big long dirty blood clots if I not dip up and down a blood clot now. So when I say I throw the weed now, why me I dip up? No. Facts me I tell you now. So no need to get a grip on yourself. You're into this material world so much that you can't get the logics of what someone saying. Them come? Now me have this whole heap of shoes. I may have the one comfortable clogs. Where shoes name clogs? Clogs. No, Crocs. I may have a little Crocs. I may have around 4 clocks, you know. My friend Thief too. I may have 3 at Jamaica, 5 clocks now. Yeah? Every time I see the piece I want to eat my drum on my foot because it's in a side. Oh no, class, my dirty blood, class. And when I draw from my designer now, and I say me a show up on. How if you show up on, I full me a blood clot show. I show wanna say, it no matter. Me can't wear the one Crocs, whatever the fucking stupid something name. When them shoes that come on, my class them, me eat them, me can't stand them, but I never put my foot in them. It was the worst shoes them could have ever bring. Now they are the most comfortable shoes to me. So let me choose today there for 3 weeks. I want to wear one shoes for 3 weeks. I just have to say, that's me, I'm comfortable in my skin. You don't mean to say I have 100 shoes. And I love my nails, thank you. You don't mean to say I have 100 shoes and I carry them. I wear them comfortably now. And then when I show you, I have my material things them. You know, I gotta say, my iPad. I'm not business who broke or who wear fake or cheap blood clot, Charlie. When me did I wear cheap blood clot, Charlie, and Ras clot, but corner to them, I never ball to no, my work the way up the ladder. That's me can't treat myself. You understand? Do you come back a bed? Well, come on. Our celebrity, a true man, man, a celebrity for true. Big up on the nice. I know some of the words at word and word, I mean, I appreciate it. That's what you call my true right here. Penny Warmer! You know, make the girl them feel with their cute self. You know what I'm feel? Alright, hide from them, make them move them pussy clad. Penny them don't want to see him. Or when you dress up, them for go man, them not for see for truth. Dress up or dress down, because them still have a fine fall. That's why me tell the internet anyhow. Because if I look good, I still Queenie. If my ear pull up, I still Queenie. If my hat, I still Queenie. I'm going to make some important call. Yeah? Queenie, I am a big fan, Queenie. I need your posters. You need my poster? Poster that POSTERS? What do you mean? No matter how much you talk, them still not get the lyrics. You get it though, baby. We love you, Queenie. Thank you. Remember, you see my true real crazy, them not no miss them. Them can't tell me how much trying to hear them on my head, and me not have no how much trying. Them they call royal real fans. If I want someone know, I'm gonna put up one post and say, when you can't tell me which day and when this is up, you see the real royal crazy then. So I appreciate you that. Because I have my back, you know, when I know it's dangerous. When I did that in Jamaica, I mean, I do it engage. And the people them say the same ring. And I say, you know what? That was so, even though it wasn't the same ring, but they're almost the same. Royal Crazy, love you. Thank you. Almost the same shape in a similar. So if you see me sit down, I see the next thing and compare. I said, boom, clad. I saw the dangerous, but I have some of my water. I'm going to do some business now.